Which modes of studies do the NEBOSH learning partners provide? Imagine the time you are expected to be in class. You hear that your duty has been changed. You hear that your work duty has been changed, and there is nothing you are going to do about it. So today at SafeTime Online TV, we are going to break down and every modes of learning that most of the learning partners, they do provide. Before we continue, I would like to reiterate once again that when choosing the learning partner, always look for the good learning partners because they are accredited and certified by NEBOSH. Several students have gone through that institute. Several students have passed in their NEBOSH IGC, and that's when they were provided that gold learning partner. And it's like an upgrade. There are 5 modes of studies that most of the learning partners normally provide. Number 1, e-learning. Number 2, full-time classes. Number 3, open and distance studies. Number 4, part-time classes. And number 5, virtual learning or blended learning. So in our today's tutorial, I'm going to explain each and every learning modes that the learning partners normally provide for the students. Number 1, full-time studies. Full-time studies is in-person, face-to-face studies, which is usually taught from Monday to Friday. You are required to be in class for almost or for more than 6 hours, if not 8. So if you are working, this method might not be the best for you. Number 2, part-time studies. A part-time studies, it's in-person session. It is an in-person session which is spread across half a day, either evening or morning classes. So when you hear of part-time, it is a mode of studies where the classes can be specified to be conducted either in the morning hours or in the evening hours, or it can be a minimum of 2 hours only. So you'll do any other thing, you can go for work, you can do any other activity and wait for the right time for you to go to class. Number 3, it is e-learning. In most of the time, e-learning, the learning platform of a particular institute, let's say a learning center, they create videos or modules and they put them in their platform. So what you are required to do is to log in into their platform and get access to the learning modules. So you will be learning a module after the other. And after that, by the end of each module, you will be required to answer some questions. So it is an interactive digital course using the e-learning management system with either videos or quizzes and self-paced modules. So within their platform, in that learning partner, you will get some learning modules, meaning you will be able to get a topic after a topic, and in each module, there are some questions that you will be required to answer in order for you to proceed to the next level or the next module. There are also some videos that you're going to watch that will guide you on the same course. Therefore, in this method, you're going to interact with the platform, not a person. You will not have a direct contact or a direct support from a tutor, and therefore you should be prepared that when you choose this method of learning or this mode of learning, you are independently going to study NEBOSH without anyone's support. Number 4, distance learning or open and distance learning. In this method of learning, it is an independent studies using physical or downloadable text and image-based materials with remote tutor support. And the support will be text notes. So you will be provided with text notes, with images, and there is also a tutor. So there is a difference between e-learning and distance learning. So open and distance learning, there is a tutor who will guide you, and he will also provide you with the necessary materials. But you will not have a face-to-face studies. The only thing, if you have a question, you can reach to them and ask questions. So they will also respond on the same way through either in form of WhatsApp or any platform that they will provide you, and therefore that is how you're going to study. You will be provided with the learning materials in form of text, that is notes, or images, and also there is a tutor who will provide you with support or guidance. The tutor will not have a face-to-face online tutorial or learning, but he will be in a position to support you whenever you need or ask you have any question. Number 5, and the best method of learning for the NEBOSH International General Certificate or the NEBOSH National General Certificate. This is called virtual learning or blended learning. In most learning partners, they provide this method of learning. And in this method is a flexible method that combines self-paced online learning with virtual or face-to-face instruction from expert tutor. You can have an online tutorial. You can also get opportunity to study by your own. That is, you will be provided with the notes and you will be reading at your free time. You will also have a face-to-face. You will be able to see your experts tutor that you will be asking questions and get direct answers. You also have the digital modules. There is a platform that you are going to use throughout your learning. Let's say you are studying online through Zoom. You will also have a slideshow that throughout your learning, you will be able to see your tutor. You will be able to see the slides, the slide modules that will pass through the screen while you are studying. You will be able to ask questions, and after all this tutorial throughout your NEBOSH is always recorded for quality assurance purposes. Therefore, if you need the tutorial, if you need the videos, your learning partner or your tutor will always send to you through your WhatsApp or any other platform. Therefore, it becomes very easy for you to understand the concepts in the NEBOSH IGC because you have a direct contact with your tutor. You will see the tutor through online. You will be able to ask questions and get direct answer from the tutor. So the blended learning or the virtual learning, it combines both digital modules on a learning platform, for example, the Zoom, the Meet, with live structured review sessions, mock exams, and direct feedback. So those are some of the advantages to choose this method of learning. This is the best method of studies when choosing the NEBOSH, when studying the NEBOSH International General Certificate. There are 2 benefits for choosing the blended or the virtual studies or the virtual learning. Number 1, flexibility. When you choose this method of learning, it always comes with different batches. You can have morning studies. You can choose the batch where you will attend the classes in the morning, then you go for work. Therefore, it fits around work and personnel schedule better than a full-time or traditional classrooms. Benefit number 2, guidance. It keeps students motivated with direct teacher support instead of studying alone. So these two benefits make this method or mode of studies the best, and therefore I advise each and every NEBOSH student, when you are interested to study NEBOSH, always choose these modes of study because it's convenient for almost all the classes of people, whether you are a student or work class or any other business personnel. This mode of study become the best for almost everyone. At this juncture, if you find this helpful, I kindly ask you to hit the bell, subscribe to Safe Time Online TV, like and share the videos so that this knowledge can reach to as many people as possible. And you can leave comment in the comment section. Let me know what you have understood, what you haven't understood, and what you want me to talk about. Safe Time Online TV is a serious platform where the tutor is ready to support and provide the authentic, or provide information and knowledge so that it can be helpful to each and every person. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next tutorial.